Para sa akin, isa sa pinakamasarap na pakiramdam sa buong mundo ay ang mahalin kang pabalik ng taong mahal mo.
Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libang-libang mga bituin? Di ko mawari, ikaw para sa'kin. Kung balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huling palagi. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. And 1,000 sensations seduce me, 'cause I do cherish you for the rest of my life. You don't have to think twice. Sa mundong nakakapagod, o ikaw ang aking pahinga, gumagaan ang lahat kapag nasisilayan.
And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time?
Sa mundong nakakapagod, o ikaw ang aking pahinga, gumagaan ang lahat kapag nasisilayan. Loving you, I thought, was just a game that I can always play any day. But now it's so much harder, and I see your eyes, your tears are falling as you turn. Pag-ibig, Sara at gabi, ikaw ang pag.
And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time?
You ought to know, tonight is the night to let it go. Put on a show, I wanna see how you lose control. So leave it behind, 'cause we have a night to get away. So come on and fly with me as we make our great escape. So baby, don't worry, you are my only. You won't be lonely, even if the sky is falling down.
There can only be you for me. I need you more and more. You turn me inside out, and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away.
Wala na akong maipiling pa, ikaw at ikaw.
promise you. This I promise you. There was an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world. We don't even know it. What love and lights were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell. You gave the word to me, and before I knew that I was so in love with you. Just you and I'm never gonna say goodbye, 'cause I never wanna see you cry. I swore to you my love would remain, and I swear it all over again. And you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. I listened to my heart this time, so I lay it on the line. I know that what I found is once in a lifetime. Sana ay ikaw na nga ang siyang mananatiling kasama ko. Kahit kung ika'y mawawala, pati lahat sa buhay ko'y maglalaho. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me morning and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the mad sense that I make. You are one of the few things.
Hindi lang halata. Pero lagi kitang namimiss. Pakis.
If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. Ikaw ang kumpas pag naliligaw, ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bugaw, sa bawat bagyo na dumadayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na kailangan ko.
thing that just makes my world complete. And my love is clear, the only thing that I'll ever see. All I ever need. Napakita ng isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pang pakawalan. Pangako kong pag naging tayo ay araw-araw kitang liligaw.
Promise ko, nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Hindi magbabago basta magtiwala lang sa isa't isa. Kapag may problema ka, sabihin mo sa akin. Dahil ang problema mo, problema ko na rin. At lagi kang mag-iingat kahit hindi tayo nagkakasama. Tandaan mo, ikaw at ikaw lang ang buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone.
There I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existence.
Gusto kong umabot tayo sa panahong pwede na kitang makasama. At wala nang distansyang hadlang sa ating dalawa. Sana manatili tayong matatag kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Dahil ang totoo,
Palagi mong tandaan, hindi ka pwedeng sumuko sa laban na to. Nilalait ka pa ng mga taong walang ambag sa buhay mo.
alam mo ang swerte mo. Pag palaging may nag-aalala sa'yo, palaging may nag-update sa'yo. Yung tipong kukulitin ka palagi. Yung tipong nagagalit kasi laging may nag-aalala sa'yo. Yung di magsasawang
Ikaw ngayon, ikaw bukas, ikaw palagi. Ikaw lang ang gustong makasama, panghabang buhay. I love you.
Sa lahat ng minahal ko, ikaw ang naiiba. Naiiba. Dahil kung papipiliin ako kung sino sa inyo ang gugustuhin ko na makasama, hindi ako magdadalawang isip na sabihin na ikaw. Dahil noon pa man, ikaw at ikaw lang ang tinitibok ng puso ko at minamahal ko.
Bigla na lang, kaming dalawa'y nagkabunggo. Ako'y nagtataka sa aking nadarama. Nang makita siya ay kumislap aking mata. Kahit ikaw tingin, sana ay iyong mapansin ang makumpleto ko, ang love story ko.
Ikaw ngayon, ikaw bukas, ikaw palagi. Ikaw lang ang gustong makasama, panghabang buhay. I love you.
Siya na ba? Ngunit ang dami namang kaagaw. Di ba na Sino ba naman ako para pilihin niya, diba?
Araw-araw kong ipinagdarasal na sana hindi ka mawala sa akin. Na sana ikaw talaga yung tamang tao para sa akin. Na ikaw yung taong nasa tabi ko hanggang dulo. Ayoko nang maghanap pa ng iba. Ayoko nang pumasok ulit sa panibagong relasyon.
Thank you kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko. Pinaramdam mo sa akin yung mga bagay na ikakasaya ko. Sa totoo lang, sobrang saya ko na nakilala kita. Kahit tayong magkalayo,
Cause every day, every night, I keep looking up the skies, and I pray that someday you will wake up in my arms and love will never end. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days are found with you.
Kakaibang saya ang aking nadama. Napalapit sa'yo, mundong iyon lang nagkakulay. Kahit ipilit pa, ayoko sa iba. Sa'yo lang mananatili, alam kong ikaw ay tunay. Buhay ko noon ay magulo, bago pa nahulog sa'yo. I'll tell you how I almost died, while you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever.
May mahal ako. Umihiling ako na sana huwag siyang mawala. At sana sa pagtagal ng panahon, maunawaan niya kung gaano ako kaseryosong mahalin siya. Kung gaano ako kaseryoso na makasama siya habang buhay. At alam kong wala pa naman ako may pagmamalaki ngayon. Kaya humihiling ako na kapag naabot ko na yung mga pangarap ko, siya pa din yung kasama ko. At sana subukin man kami ng panahon at ng pagkakataon, walang bumitaw hanggang dulo. Siya yung tao na dumating na ayaw kong mawala. At siya yung taong kong mamahalin hanggang dulo.
Pagkat ikaw lang ang nais makatabi, malamig man o mainit ang gabi, nais ko sanang iparating na ikaw lamang sa akin. Made love together, baby, you are thinking of him. Why do I love you? Don't even want to. Why do I love you? Words don't come easy to me. How can I find a way to make you see I love you? Loving you, I thought, was just a game that I can always play any day. But now it's so much harder, and I see your eyes, your tears.